morning, students. Today I will teach you about comparing numbers. Okay, how we can compare any 3-digit number. Okay, so in order to compare these numbers, certain rules are there. So now we will discuss one by one. Okay, so the first rule is what? First of all, we'll compare the digit. Okay, suppose one number having 2 digit and the another number having 3 digit. Okay, so the number having 3 digit will be the greater one and the number having 2 digit will be the smaller one. Okay, so suppose one number having 2 digit, say 49. Okay, as you can see, 4 and 9, 2 digit is there, right? And the another number is 499. So here 3 numbers are there, 499, right? So the number that is greater in this case is what? 499, because this number having 3 digit and this number having 2 digit. Okay, I hope you have understood how we can compare any number, okay, on the basis of digits. Next rule is what? We'll compare the 100 place value. Okay, if 2 3-digit numbers are there, then first of all we'll see the 100 place value. So for example, 349 and 449 are the number. Okay, so here we'll see the 100 place value. Here 3 it is in 100 place and here 4 is in 100 place, right? So 3 is less than 4, so we can say 4 is the greater one, right? So by comparing the 100 place value also, we can say that this number is the greater one, that is 449 is greater than 349. Okay, we'll see only the 100 place value. Okay, if third rule is what? If the 100 place values are same, then we'll move to tens place value. Suppose 319 is there and 329 is there. So first of all we'll see the 100 place value. So here also 3 is there, here also 3 is there, right? Now we'll see the tens place value. So in tens place value 1 is there and here 2 is there. Now which one is the greater one? 1 or 2? 2 is the greater one, right? So our number that is greater is what? 329. Okay, this one is what? The third rule. The last rule is what? If the tens place values are also same, then we'll see the ones place value. Okay, so for example 658 and the another number is 657. Okay, so first of all we'll see the 100 place value. Here 6 is there, here also 6 is there, same values are there. Now we'll shift to tens place value. So here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. Now we'll move to ones place value. So here 8 is there and here 7 is there, right? Now 8 is greater than 7, so our number that is greater is what? 658. Okay, always remember we put the greater sign, or I can say we'll open its mouth towards the greater one. Okay. Okay, now students, see exercise 7, first question. Circle the greater number. So here we have to circle, we have to identify which number is the greater one. Okay, see the first one. We'll apply the first rule. We'll see the digits. Okay, so as you can see, 69 having 2 digit and 400 having 3 digit. So the number that is greater is what? 400, right? Because it's having 3 digit. Okay, now see B part. So out of these two, which one is the greater one? (401) because it's having 3 digit. See the next one. This one will be the greater one because it's having 3 digit, right? Now see the next one. So here you can see both are having 3 digit number. So we'll compare the 100 place value. Now as you can see, in 100 place value also they are having same number, 7 and 7, right? Now we'll see the tens place value. So in tens place value, one having 7 and the another one having 1, right? So which one will be the greater one? The one having 7 in its tens place, right? So we'll circle the greater one, and the greater number is what? 772. Okay, so like this only, the rest of it you have to do in your copy. Okay, is that clear? So E, F, this will be G. Okay, G, H, I. So E, F, G, H, I, this entire question, okay, this 5 question you have to do in your class of copy. Okay, I hope you have understood how to circle the greater number. Now see the second question. Circle the smaller number. Okay, here you have to circle the smaller one. So see the first one. Which one will be the smaller one? If we see the first rule, okay, if we compare the digit, so the digit having less number, right? Sorry, the number having less digit, that number will be what? The smaller one. Yes, so here 2 digit is smaller than 3 digit. Here in B part also 2 digit is smaller than 3 digit. Here in C part also 1 digit is smaller than 3 digit, right? Now see the D part. So both are having 3 digit, right? So we'll see now the tens place value. First of all, see the 100 place value. So both are having 1, right? Now we'll shift to tens place value. So both are having again 0. Now we'll shift to ones place value. So one having 0 and another having 1. So which one will be the smaller one? One having 0, that one will be the smaller one, right? So this one will be the smaller number. Okay, so like this only you have to do the rest of it. E, F, this one is again G, H, I in your class of copy. Okay, so that's all for today. You have to do these 2 questions in your copy.